Yes. So before starting with narration of imperative sentences, let us discuss the tense test. Yes, Pragati, you can speak the questions so that we can discuss. What was the first question? Raise up your hand, Pragati. Yes, Pragati. I have unmuted you again.
Ma'am, word meaning says soothing or intimate.
That was direct from the book. Speak the question.
Why Bipin Babu was worried about what Parimal Ghosh has said.
Why Bipin Babu was worried about
What Parimal Ghosh has said.
okay, what Parimal Ghosh was said, as you know that why he was worried. He was worried about what Parimal Ghosh has said. It is because of the reason that Parimal Ghosh was so sure about his visit to Ranchi, and Bipin Babu, he was confused that why he is not remembering all the events and why he is, you can say, why he is forgetting or why he is suffering from this kind of problem when everything else he is perfect in, and why he is not remembering his visit to Ranchi. So next question, please.
Why Bipin, ma'am, please wait. Second
Yes.
question. Why did Bipin Babu change his mind about meeting Chunilal? What was the result of this meeting?
Yes, why he changed his mind? Because he thought maybe Chunnilal must have known about his visit to Ranchi, and so that's why he wanted to inquire from Chunnilal about his visit to Ranchi. So this is the reason why he wanted to, earlier he said that he is not at home, but later on he wanted to meet Chunnilal. Okay, so clear this answer? Any other question, please?
Yes.
That's it. Okay, so next afterwards, we are going to do the narration of imperative sentences. Okay, so write down for imperative sentences. Okay, so what are imperative sentences? Yes, what are imperative sentences? What are imperative sentences? Imperative sentences are those sentences in which gives a sense of command, order, request. Okay, for example, go there, come here, bring a cup of water for me, right? So these are called as imperative sentences. Okay, what are these called as? These are called as imperative sentences. So accordingly, what we have to use in imperative sentences, we have to remember certain rules. Okay, so for that, first of all, what we use commanded, ordered, requested, pleaded is again requested, in reporting, in place of reporting verb. Okay, what we use this in place of reporting verb. Okay, where said to is there, with what we use or said is there, we use commanded, we use ordered, we use requested, we use pleaded. Okay, so note it down.
Pleaded का मतलब क्या होता है?
Pleaded is again which means requested. Okay, plead means when you make a request. Okay.
Okay.
And use infinitive to give a complete sentence. Okay, you have to, for example, he said come here, he ordered him to come here. Okay, right? So in this manner, there are not, you can say, any use of tenses, change of tenses, right? So clear?
मैम कंप्लीट के बाद सेंस लिखा है.
Yes. Sentence. Complete sentence.
दिख नहीं रहा.
Then moreover, there is no use of any conjunction. Okay, there is no use of any conjunction. There is not, or there is no use of any conjunction. Which conjunction? Like that, for example, that, if, or whether. Only these we have used as conjunctions. They are not used. They are not used. Mean that, if, or whether, they can never be used. You just note down. I'm just giving you time. You can see the board. If not, if any word is not clear, you can ask me. And moreover, one more thing, imperative sentences are changed to, they are changed to assertive. Yes, imperative sentences, they are changed to assertive. Note down these main rules. Otherwise, these type of narration, they are very easy to do. You will really enjoy doing it. So write it down. You can write it down. Yes, Somil. Raise up your hand so that I can come to know. Somil. Yes, Somil.
मैं आपकी वॉइस लैग कर रही है.
हाँ?
मैम यस मैम, मैंने कहना था कि साइड से मैम बोर्ड एडजस्ट कर दो मैम, दिख नहीं रहा.
तो ना आज ना क्लास चेंज है बेटा आपकी, तो अभी इसकी सेटिंग नहीं हो रही है. ठीक है ना, इसीलिए मैं ज्यादा बोर्ड पे लिख भी नहीं रही. ठीक है ना. See, when I entered the class, I tried to do it, but it has not been done. ठीक है, कल तक हो जाएगा. ठीक है, आज आपको मैनेज करना पड़ेगा प्लीज. So sentences. So first of all, let us repeat these. Just see the difference. He said to his master, "Forgive me, sir." So what was the answer?
He requested his master forgive. He requested his master to forgive him.
To forgive him. He requested his master to forgive him. Next is the audience said to Lata, "Please sing another song for us." What was the answer?
The audience requested to Lata.
Lata to sing another song for them.
Yes, to sing another song for them. So the third one is, I said to Sonia, "Do not come here again." So wherever do not is used. Okay. So how you will change? Which sense it is giving? Do not come here again. Yes. Which sense it is giving?
Negative.
It is giving negative, but what is? It means that you are telling that you are telling someone not to do anything. Okay, not to do anything. When you are telling someone means you are saying do not go there. So here what you are saying, you will use forbade. Forbade. Okay. I forbade Sonia, okay, not to, Okay, then you will not use to infinitive, and then the further sentence, what you will use? Not to come there again. Okay, so I repeat, when you are saying, when you are forbidding someone not to do anything, then what you will do, you will write down forbid. I forbid Sonia not to come here, will change into there, not to come there again.
मैम जब डू नॉट होगा तब हमने फॉरबिड लगाना है.
Forbid, yes, most of the times it is forbid. Okay,
Okay.
next, next sentence, let me write down on the board. 1 minute. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru said to his countrymen, comma, inverted commas, start, fight the evil of casteism. Fight the evil of casteism. Yes. Can anybody tell about it? Fight the evil of casteism. Yes.
The Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru
Pandit
requested.
his countrymen to fight the evil of casteism.
Okay. Here, no, please is not used, so we won't use here requested. It can be persuaded. Okay, persuaded. When you make someone to agree to your point. Okay, this can also be used. So, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru persuaded his countrymen to fight the evil of casteism. Okay, next write down. He said to me, don't interfere in my work. He said to me, don't interfere in my work. Don't
He
interfere. He
forbade me to
very
not
good. He
to
forbade
interfere
me
in
not
his work.
interfere in his work. He forbade me not to interfere in his work. Next, the teacher said to me, I'm rubbing the first one. The teacher said to me, do not.
मैम आपकी ऑडियो वीडियो लैग कर रही है.
Yes, ma'am.
Do not make noise. Yes. Next one is, the teacher said to me, do not make noise. Yes.
The
The teacher forbade me.
not to make noise.
Yes, the teacher forbade me not to make noise.
Make noise.
Okay. Clear now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
Miss. No, maybe sentences easy हैं.
So any doubt in these sentences? Is it clear? Write on one
Yes.
more last sentence that I am speaking, and then you will give me the answer. The boy said to his teacher, "Sir, may I go home?"
The boy requested.
The
His
boy
teacher
said to his teacher, "May I go home?"
मैम इधर पीरियड आ सकता है इधर?
Now speak. The teacher said to his teacher, "May I go home, sir?"
The boy requested his teacher to go home.
The boy requested his teacher to go home. Okay. Or you can hear, because here it is not requested. He has not said, he has asked the question. You can also write down in this manner: the teacher respectfully asked his teacher. These kind of changes you can also bring. Okay. According to the sense of the sentence which is given in the form of reported speech. The boy respectfully asked his teacher to go home. Then sir will be omitted. Okay, so clear this, right?
Yes.
So these are the
Yes,
various
ma'am.
examples of imperative sentences. Tomorrow we will do the examples with sentences which are starting with let. Let us go there. Okay, so we will do these also. Okay, first of all, just have a look over these type of sentences. So we have done interrogative ones, starting with helping verbs and starting with question words, and today we have done imperative sentences. Okay, so that's all for narration.